jungle goes ribbit, ribbit. The jaguar in the jungle goes growl, growl. The toucan in the jungle goes croak, croak. The chimpanzee in the jungle goes eek, eek, ooh, ooh. The crocodile in the jungle goes snap, snap. The hippo in the jungle goes grunt, grunt. The gorilla in the jungle goes thump, thump. The zebra in the jungle goes whinny, whinny. The panther in the jungle goes purr, purr. The owl in the jungle goes hoot, hoot. The hyena in the jungle goes ha, ha, ha. The mosquito in the jungle goes buzz, buzz. The bat in the jungle goes screech, screech. The anteater in the jungle goes slurp, slurp. The sloth in the jungle goes The jungle is alive with sounds all around. Listen to the animals, hear their sound. Some are loud and some are small. Let's try to sing them all. The jaguar in the jungle goes meow, meow. The macaw in the jungle goes squawk, squawk. The wild boar in the jungle goes oink, oink. The fireflies in the jungle go blink, blink. The iguana in the jungle goes rustle, rustle. The wild turkey in the jungle goes gobble, gobble. The piranha in the jungle goes chomp, chomp. The tapir in the jungle goes snort, snort. The bush baby in the jungle goes ee, ee. The lynx in the jungle goes growl, growl. The anaconda in the jungle goes hiss, hiss. The peacock in the jungle goes meow, meow. The capybara in the jungle goes chirp, chirp. The quetzal in the jungle goes whistle, whistle. The armadillo in the jungle goes sniff, sniff. The margay in the jungle goes meow, meow. The coyote in the jungle goes chirp, chirp. The hornbill in the jungle goes honk, honk. The termite in the jungle goes chew, chew. The jungle at night goes crick, crick, crick. The fireflies glow as they blink, blink, blink. All the animals sing their tune beneath the stars and the bright full moon.